What's up, traders? I hope you all doing well. So finally, now we are in the zone we've been waiting from last couple of days for a whole week, and that was a patience paid off. So just to let you know, guys, Owanda is now accepting clients from India, and if you are from India, you can check that on TradingView if you are seeing Owanda there. And as you know, I do my analysis, and I also have an account with Owanda, so that if you want to open an account there, I have links in my description. Once you open it, I will also add you in my priority group, and with that, we all be on the same page. Let me know in the comment section if you can able to see Owanda on your TradingView platform. So before I start my video, let me show you what I've said in my previous videos so that it will help you in the psychological part of your trading, and it will show you what to avoid when you are trading professionally. And what I do, I will wait for the market to hit my counter trading zone, which is 6.490. That goes down to 6.151. And we do have a bearish pressure, as you can see this engulfing candle. This could be a silence before a storm. With experience, I'm telling that once I see this type of moves with these small little candles, 4-hour candles, I expect a good breakout after that. Anytime after that, it can have a good push down in between our zone, which is the green zone. Just wait for the market to hit this zone, which is not really far from where for me to enter with a good entry condition is right here. The mistake traders do, they start to force these zones to the level they want to enter the trade. So what I mean by that, they want to force the zones like this. So this is not what is recommended. I would never enter trades unless or until it hits my major area of value, and my area of value is here, which is a major level of support. And in my yesterday's video, I have already shown you why this zone plays a really important part for me to take my trades once we have a good hit of this zone. So imagine entering right here with the fear of missing out. What would be the consequences? The market has fallen down, and that would be a lots and lots of stress for you. And then in that case, you would be waiting for the market to come back to your point, and you want to just come out of the trade maybe in a break even. You just want to recover your losses. Instead, if you would have entered, let's say if we get an entry reason, if we have a good reason, then we will enter here, and by the time we reach at this level, and the traders who have entered here, that would be a zero profit for them. And the traders that have entered here with a good reason to enter, it will be a good amount of profit until they reach at this level. So in my last previous 4 to 5 videos, I keep on telling you guys to wait, be patient until we are in this green zone. So finally, we are here in the green zone. I even said that this could be a bull trap and I wouldn't enter the trade, and this could be a fear of missing out that the market is pushing up and you don't want to miss a buy trade. I'm sure most of you must have thought that this could be an end of downtrend, but once you have your rules there, once you have your checklist there, doesn't matter what happens in the market, doesn't matter if the market pushes up from here, I will still not enter until market hit this green zone. So now if you have seen my video how to trade support and resistance, you know the way to enter the trades once it hit the major zones. And as you can see, the market hit the major zone. That doesn't mean that I will enter straight away. Now in that video, I've also shown you the example where the market hit the major zone and market was in an oversold situation, and even then the market pushed down dramatically. So that is why it is really important. The next point is to wait for a good reason to enter. Now we are in the zone from where we can look for a buying confirmation. So now the way you can buy is, let's go back on 1 hour time frame. As you can see, if you are trading on 1 hour time frame, that the targets will be smaller as well. So at this point, let's say if this candle closes here, this red candle, and then you get a next bigger green candle. So this is the way I enter the trades. You can double check the entries with me. If you are in my priority group, you can always send me a message. I will answer you in priority basis. So that now you need to look for a good reason to enter, and right here would be your entry. If you are entering on a 1 hour time frame, now we are in a buying zone. We can still get a push down, and then we can get a good reason to enter. So this is what I'm expecting on 1 hour time frame. We can also get push up, push down, and then a double bottom entry reason. Again, I will update you as well once I see this condition. So now we are in a good zone to enter. Now on 4 hour time frame, of course I won't be expecting a good bullish engulfing candle right here. That won't happen because once this candle closes, there will be another candle, green or red, doesn't matter. Once we have a red candle, I want to see a green engulfing candle, or I want to see push up, push down, and followed by a nice double bottom move. So Keep an eye here. You again, priority members can text me and ask me if we have a confirmed entry or not, what to expect from priority group. I'm going to explain that in my tomorrow's or Saturday's video so that you will know what to expect from that group. So at this point, so just wait for a good reason to enter. Once you have a good reason to enter, we will enter trade using ATR as a target. So now if you do not get a good bullish pressure and it still fall from here, then I will update you guys what to expect next. But I'm expecting a good bounce. Once we have a good bounce, I'm expecting some divergence here as well. So once we have a divergence and a good confirmation to enter, then we will enter trades accordingly. So that's all for natural gas. Same condition on currency.com. We have this zone right here. Is it's in between our zone. Yes, we can expect a push down, push up with a good engulfing candle. On 1 hour time frame, we have this red candle. I want to see a good green candle. Once we have a good green candle, then we will expect market to bounce out of this zone. So keep an eye here. We are now in a good buying area. Only enter with a good entry reason. Let's check gold. Okay, as per yesterday's video, gold is still moving sideways and looking at this hammer candle, inverted hammer. Is it hasn't closed yet, but you can see we have this 382 candle as well. This is the indecisions between buyers and seller. As we are in this decision zone, we are still in between the zone. So wait for the market to completely break below this previous low or completely break above this previous high to confirm the trend. So not entering, I will be only entering buy trades from this gray zone or buy trades once we are above, completely above this zone, not trading gold at this point. So wait for a good move out of gold to take good entries. And of course, I'm here to update you guys as well. Okay, let's check crude oil. So what do we have? As per my yesterday's video, I've said that this could be a retest and then we can expect a push down out of crude oil. So let me show you what I've said. We can expect a retest. Now we can see the market is retesting this zone. So now what happened is, once the major zone is broken, that zone will become a resistance. Say if this candle closes here and then we have a next bearish engulfing candle, that will be your sell signal to enter your trades. Okay, awesome. Now if you look at 1 hour time frame, right here, what do we have? We have a nice engulfing candle that happens below 50 EMA, that happens at the previous support, that now acting as a resistance. So with that, we have a good bearish pressure and market ended up pushing down at least $3 to $4 move. So that was a good reason to enter. If you have spotted entry reason, then congratulations, you have entered a good trade. So at this point, as you can see on a 1 hour time frame, we are still in a bearish pressure. The crude oil is still in a bearish pressure. So I'm still expecting a crude oil to push down. And now the next support we have here on crude oil is 99.61. That goes down to 95.63. So now if we have a good push down from crude oil, if we break below this low, then I'm expecting a good push out of crude oil. So at this point, if we look at 4 hour time frame, we got this nice push up and retesting this zone again, we can expect another fall out of crude oil again. So not buying, I will only buy once we hit this level of next level of support which I've just mentioned. So that's all for commodity market, guys. I hope you are getting value out of my analysis. If you are getting value, please do not forget to hit a like button for me, as it helps me in the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any questions, any confusions, do let me know in the comment section, or you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.